everyone, welcome or welcome back to Lavender Afternoons. Tanya here. In this video, I wanted to share with you guys another altered book journal that I just finished up a few days ago. This journal, I went with a pink floral garden theme, and I thought I could share it with you guys and give you guys some inspiration. So I'm gonna go with this book here that I picked up a few months ago. I'm going to go ahead and start with covering the front and back covers of the book with some paper here. I'm going with this really pretty butterfly floral paper. I really wanted that to be like my kind of like aesthetic and theme for this journal. I am no pro at covering books. I'm still a newbie at this, so bear with me. I'm not perfect and nor do I want to be. So yeah, but it doesn't matter anyways because I'm going to end up covering the inner covers of the book as well. I have been so grateful for the love I've been getting lately. I am now at 30 subscribers, so I'm like a quarter at my goal. I always said if I start a YouTube and I just get to 100 subscribers, I'm happy. So me being over a quarter of that goal is amazing to me, and I'm so grateful for you guys and all the love and your positive comments. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and cover the inside of those covers. So pretty. After I covered the inside of the covers, I went ahead and put a sheet on the first page there. And after that, I went in and separated the pages so that way I could go back in and tear them to make space for the pages and pockets that I'll be adding into the journal. You see here, I am tearing the pages, so this is to make space, and I'll actually be using a lot of these pages to make journal tags and cards to go in here as well. Next, I'm just going in and gluing my pockets and pages together. There are my pockets that I created there. Next, I'm creating some journal cards and journal tags. The first ones I want to show you are larger journal cards. I used some coffee stained cardstock paper that I had, like some that didn't come out as I wanted to when I coffee stained them, but I thought they'd be great to use for this project. I went ahead and used some of the torn book pages and the paper scraps that I had left over from covering the pages. Next, I created like some mini bookmarks. I don't know exactly what I'm doing with these. I like to play around and explore, but these are giving bookmark, but they seem short for that. But nonetheless, I think they came out really pretty. And guys, if you're enjoying this video so far, go ahead, hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and if you want to be notified when I post new videos, be sure to hit that notification bell icon. Next are these smaller journal cards that I created here. These are my favorite. I love all the details that I was able to put into one small space. I was able to just create that floral garden pink, just feminine look that I was going for, inking around the elements and just adding them on. Next, I'm going to go in and just cover all of the pages in the journal. After I got done covering all the pages, I went in with some torn pieces of the book pages and the paper scraps that I inked around. And I just went in throughout the book and added them onto the pages to add some texture and color. I really wanted just this rugged but pretty and just floral look. So you'll just see me there adding those paper scraps, and I inked around those with the Distress ink in color Gathered Twigs. So yeah, I'm just going and adding those torn pieces, and it's amazing how you can just freehand these pieces and add them on. And it just brings it all together and layering them. All right, so I went through and added that. That added so much character to the book. I went in and added it throughout the pages. Now what I'm going to do is go in and use more of those torn pages, and I tore them into little mini pockets that I'm going to be adding throughout the journal. I'll also be adding some torn tea-dyed lined paper here for writing space. So yeah, you see me just alternating between the lined paper and the book page pockets. Okay, you guys, so that's it for now for the inside of the book. Now I want to bring my attention back to the outer cover. I'm going to go in and add embellishments on the outside cover of my journal. I'm using some cute denim ribbon that I got from Hobby Lobby a week or two ago. They were having a big sale on their ribbon. And I'm adding some of the burlap lace. I believe I got this from Dollar Tree. Really cute. And I have this denim polka dot trim as well. I thought this was the perfect final touch to the cover. So pretty. I also ended up going in and adding some of that burlap trim on the inside of the journal as well. Okay, you guys, that is it for this video. Please, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I'm going to be uploading part 2 for the flip through of this journal really soon, so be on the lookout for that. Thank you guys so much for watching, so much for tuning in. I will see you guys soon. Bye.